Lahi na. Dito ka dapit para makita ka. Dito ka dapit ba? Dito ka magbaho. Dito ka.
Uncle James TV. Hit the road early, packing up the gear. Uncle James is out here bringing you the cheer. From the city streets to the hidden waterfall. If there's an adventure, he's gonna live it all. Got the camera rolling, capturing the view. Every single story tailored just for you. So smash that like button, don't you be late. We're traveling the world and it's feeling great. Are you ready for the vibe? Are you ready for the ride? Step inside Uncle James TV. Yeah, we're living free. Tune into the screen, see what we can see. Log in every day, smiling all the way. Uncle James TV is here to brighten up your day. Walking through the nature, positive and strong. Shout out to the families clicking along. Good vibes only, that's the goal